So most people solve this question like 3 plus 3 is equal to 9 times 3, then divide by 3, right? Now 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Sorry, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Divide by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, now we can write this question like in the parenthesis 3 plus 3 times 3, then divide by 3, right? So first we have to solve parenthesis, but in this parenthesis we have one addition and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve addition, right? So now the parenthesis 3 plus, now multiply 3 is equal to 9, then divide by 3. So now 3 plus 9 is equal to 12, right? So 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So the correct answer is 4, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.